Hello, welcome back to High Tech Zone. Today, let us dive into a comprehensive review of the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum mop combo that's smart, efficient, and packed with features, this video is for you. We're going to explore its design specifications, product features, pros and cons, and see how it stacks up against the competition. Design specifications and features. Let's kick things off with the design and features of the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI. This robot vacuum is a true all-in-one vacuum and mop device, boasting both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. It uses advanced AI and LiDAR navigation to precisely map your home, avoid obstacles, and navigate complex environments with ease. What sets the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI apart is its cutting-edge AI-powered navigation system. This AI-powered robot vacuum leverages a powerful 3D camera and LiDAR sensors to identify objects around your home, from furniture to stray toys, ensuring it can navigate with precision. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that might get stuck or miss spots, the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI knows exactly where to go and what to avoid, making it a reliable partner for your cleaning needs. The AI technology even allows the vacuum to recognize different surfaces and automatically adjust its suction power for optimal cleaning. For example, when it detects a carpet, it boosts suction to pick up embedded dirt and pet hair. When it moves to a hard floor, it reduces suction to avoid scattering debris. It's like having a personal assistant that understands your home's unique layout and cleaning requirements. Another key highlight is its powerful suction. It is designed to handle everything from fine dust to larger debris, and it adjusts automatically based on the surface type, whether it's a hardwood floor, carpet, or tiles. Plus, with the all-in-one clean station, you get automatic dustbin emptying, mop pad cleaning, and recharging all in one place, making maintenance a breeze. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros and cons of the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI. On the plus side, the advanced AI offers superior obstacle avoidance and precise navigation, which many users have found to be a game changer. The dual functionality as a vacuum and mop in one device is also a big advantage, especially if you're looking for an efficient way to keep your floors spotless. The SmartThings integration is another pro, allowing you to control the vacuum remotely, schedule cleanings, and even monitor your home via its front camera. However, there are a few downsides. The price is on the higher side, which might be a deal breaker for some. It can also be quite noisy on higher suction settings, and it may not perform as well on thick carpets compared to other high-end vacuums. Lastly, the charging time can be lengthy, taking several hours for a full charge. So, why is the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI better than other robot vacuums on the market? It's all about the technology. The combination of AI-powered navigation, powerful suction, and the all-in-one clean station sets it apart from its competitors. While many robot vacuums offer good cleaning performance, few can match the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI's ability to map accurately and avoid obstacles with such precision. For instance, unlike some competitors that rely on random navigation patterns, this model creates a precise map of your home, ensuring every corner is covered. Plus, with SmartThings integration, you can control it remotely, schedule cleanings, and even watch live video from its front camera. This level of connectivity and control is something not all competitors can offer. User response. User feedback has been generally positive, with many praising the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI for its intelligent navigation, thorough cleaning performance, and ease of use. However, some users have mentioned that the high price point and noise level can be drawbacks. Overall, it holds an average rating of around 3.2 out of 5 stars. It's clear that while the vacuum excels in many areas, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone, particularly those with thick carpets or who are sensitive to noise. Price range. The Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI is definitely a premium product. It typically falls in the $950 range, making it one of the more expensive options on the market. However, for that price, you're getting a top-tier robot vacuum and mop combo with advanced features that cater to those looking for a thorough and efficient cleaning solution. Is the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI the right choice for you? If you're looking for a high-end, all-in-one robot vacuum with smart features and don't mind spending a bit more, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're on a budget or need something quieter and more focused on thick carpets, you might want to explore other options. Let us know your thought in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more or purchasing the Samsung Bespoke JetBot Combo AI, check out the links in the description to find the best deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.